Welcome to Guru Gobind Singh Public School and Junior College. Dear students, today we are going to learn subject civics for standard 6th. Children, let's start to learn lesson number 4, that is urban local government bodies. Dear children, here are the learning outcomes of the lesson. First, to understand the structure and functions of the urban local government bodies. Second, to obtain information about the administration and office bearers of the urban local government bodies. In which topics today we are going to learn? That is, first we will see the introduction of the lesson. Second one, facilities and the problems in the cities. Third, Nagar Panchayat, and the fourth one is the municipal council. Dear children, in the previous chapter we have studied the nature of the local government bodies in the rural areas. In the chapter, we will learn something about the local government institution in the urban areas. So this includes the Nagar Panchayat, the municipal council and the municipal corporation. Children, our country has a large number of towns and cities and they are growing rapidly. So children, villages are growing into towns, towns into cities and cities into the metropolises. The rural areas neighboring cities are also getting transferred. Dear children, now we have to discuss about the following topics. Here you can see the pictures, isn't it? The siren of the ambulance, which has sounded very loud and very clear, but there was no free way on the road to move that ambulance further. Next one, as a result of the decision to cut the water supply, there was a great crowd at the water supply tanker. Then the efforts were being made to provide facilities to senior citizens and small children in the park. Children, you will write 2 paragraphs on any one of the topic given here. Dear children, just now we discussed about the problems which are faced in the city life, isn't it? So now, what are the facilities and problems in the cities? So the first one, that is the facilities of the cities are opportunities for industry and business. Second one, expanding service sector. Third one, large scale opportunities for job. And fourth one is the availability of facilities for entertainment, art, culture, etc. Now, what are the problems in the cities? First one is the shortage of housing, then insufficient space, then traffic congestion, problem of disposal of waste, increasing in the crime, and a large proportion of population which is living in the slum areas. Dear children, let's start to learn about the urban local government bodies. Among that, first one we are going to see now, that is Nagar Panchayat. Dear children, the villages that are in the process of becoming towns have a Nagar Panchayat. We see some areas which are neither fully rural or nor fully urban. In such areas, the local government body is the Nagar Panchayat. Children, as with other local bodies, elections to a Nagar Panchayat are held every 5 years and the elected members chooses a president and a vice president from among themselves. All local government bodies have to carry out some essential functions. So, what according to you are the essential functions of a Nagar Panchayat? Children, let's start to learn these functions one by one. So, first one is essential services and facilities to the urban areas. Then the second one is sanitation program. Then the street lighting and providing roads in wards and main roads of town. Then the school in urban areas. Then program for adult literacy and run city libraries. Then water supply to every ward. Then drainage system to clear the solid and liquid waste from town. And maintaining records of birth and death. Children, you can study here the chart of urban local government bodies of Nagar Panchayat. Dear children, strength of members for Nagar Panchayat are minimum there are 9 members and maximum there are 38 members for Nagar Panchayat. Then who are the office bearers for Nagar Panchayat? The office bearers for the Nagar Panchayats are President and Vice President. Then the official member. It is said to be a executive officer. Children, what we learned in the today's lesson? We learn about the introductory part of the lesson, urban local government bodies. In that we also studied the facilities and the problems in the city life. Then we learn about the one of the local government body, that is Nagar Panchayat, and also the function of Nagar Panchayat. Children, on the topic you have to complete the given assignment. First, you have to write the chart of urban local government bodies. So dear children, the chart for the urban local government bodies is given in your textbook on page number 75. Then the next question, write facilities and problems in the cities. So just now we had discussed about the facilities and problems in the cities, which is given on the page number from your textbook 71. Dear children, here we completed the first part of the lesson. The remaining part we will study in the next video. Till then, thank you very much.